Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate pips on Tradingview using the most efficient 2026 technical tools. Calculating pips is a mechanical necessity for proper risk management, allowing you to bridge the gap between price movement and your professional 2026 bookkeeping. Let's get into it. First, access the Measuring Tool sidebar. The first step is a mechanical necessity for any high-end market analysis. You need to technically activate the specific Studio tool designed for distance and percentage tracking. Look at the left-hand toolbar on your TradingView chart. Locate the ruler icon, the measuring tool. Alternatively, you can use the professional keyboard shortcut, hold Shift and click on your chart. The measuring tool is the professional standard for 2026 traders. It allows you to candidly quantify price action without doing manual 2026 bookkeeping, keeping your technical workflow fast and accurate. Next, use the long/short position tool for pro-level scaling. For those managing a professional 2026 portfolio, a mechanical necessity is seeing your pips in relation to your stop loss and take profit. Select the long or short position tool from the sidebar, place it on your chart, and technically adjust the levels. These high-end Studio tools candidly display your pip count for both your risk and reward simultaneously. This is a professional standard for 2026 market analysis, as it technically visualizes your risk-to-reward ratio in real time. Lastly, verify your 2026 pip calculations. The final step is the technical verification of your numbers to ensure they match your 2026 bookkeeping goals. A small error in pip calculation can technically lead to significant lot sizing mistakes. By performing this final technical check, you ensure your 2026 trading rig is professional and secure. And that's pretty much it. To calculate pips on TradingView in 2026, start by using the ruler tool, Shift-click, to technically measure a price move. Candidly interpret the data box by looking at the point value and adjusting for the pipette. For a professional setup, utilize the long and short position tools to technically visualize your pips in relation to your risk. This high-end workflow ensures your 2026 market analysis is technically sound and ready for professional execution. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.